Welcome to the Bird Gardens at Monte Cassino. For great family entertainment, come and experience the wonder of the Monte Cassino Bird Gardens, the only bird park of its kind in Africa and Johannesburg's best-kept secret. Here, you can wander along enchanted walkways within magnificent gardens and marvel at a variety of colorful birds, mammals, reptiles and unusual animals from around the world. In our walk through aviary, you'll find over 60 species of birds including scarlet ibises, royal starlings and Nicobar pigeons, reptiles and small mammals, with smaller antelope wandering freely in the undergrowth.